Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley, and if you're new here, I would love it if you consider subscribing, and if you already have, welcome back. And today I am sharing how I'm packing my 2 diaper bags for travel with 2 2-year-olds and a 2-month-old. So let's just get right to it. I'm gonna try and keep everything as neat as possible because we are leaving super early in the morning and I don't want to have a huge mess or leave anything behind. So I'll start with the Boss backpack. This is packed for my daughter, my 2-month-old, and myself. In this front pocket, I have my sunglasses, and this is like a little coin purse from Victoria's Secrets. And in here, I just have a lip balm and 2 lipsticks, and I don't have anything else in here. In the pocket next to it, I have one of these travel-on pouches. If you can hear something, my kids are playing. This has my kids' social security cards and their immunization records. I also have a small set piece in Sakura Swirl, and this is my wallet. In this pocket, I love this one, it's really big. I have my iPad, and this is, I think the 9.7 inch. And a folder. This has my kids' birth certificates and my dog's papers for traveling. I don't usually like things hanging so much from my bag, but because we're traveling, I want to have these hanging there because it's easy. I have a Passy Pod in Blackout, and in here, I'm glad I opened it because I had forgotten to get the other one. I have 2 Pat Pats by Ryan Rose with cutie clips. The stroller straps are attached, as well as a little diaper bag dispenser from Munchkin. On this side, I have my Yeti, that's the 20 ounce. And in this side pocket, I have a bunch of wipes, Dapple wipes, face wipes, boogie wipes, wet ones, all that's in there. In the back zippered pocket, I have the included change pad and my laptop. This top pocket is where I will have my camera, but I'm using it right now, so it's not in there. And underneath I have 2 extra batteries because I plan on vlogging. And before I get this question in the comments, yes, it's very heavy because I do have a laptop, an iPad, a Yeti cup, and heavy things in here. Moving on to the inside. This space right here is empty because this is where I will have my daughter's Swaddle Blanket. It is by Copper Pearl, the one with the slot. That's gonna be right up here. And then underneath I have a Copper Pearl burp rag and one of these Gerber ones. And then right underneath all of that, I have a medium set piece in Sakura Swirl with a change of outfit for my daughter, just in case there is a blowout. She doesn't usually get them, but I have a bodysuit, some pants, and a sleeper. All of this is in 3 to 6 months. I also have some socks and mittens in there. Beneath that, I have a wet bag, and this is an Itsy nursing cover, and this is just in case I end up needing a cover. I plan on using the Swaddle Blanket. This pocket is empty, but I actually am taking my tripod in here. I'm just using it right now, but I'll be adding it as soon as I'm done. In this top pocket, I have a small deodorant and my AirPods. In this pocket, I actually have 4 size 2 diapers, a wipe pouch, 30, and right next to it, I have 2, 4, 6, 8 size 2 diapers. So I think we're good with 12 diapers. In this zippered pocket, I have an Itsy Snack Happens bag, one of the mini ones, and this has my portable charger and a cord. Over here, I have the same things I did last time. I have bags, a hand sanitizer, Jeff to Go, and a small diaper cream. Nothing in this pocket. In this front pocket, I have a bunch of random stuff. I have some earbuds. I have a pen gem from Sensible Mama. I have a pack of these Velveeta snacks for myself. One of these Oogie Bears for my daughter because she's always got a stuffy nose. A little foldable brush. And my coin purse with just random things for my daughter's hair, band-aids, and bobby pins. So that's in there. And right underneath, I have a pad and some breast pads. And that's basically what I am taking in this bag. But because most of these things are heavy, it is a little bit heavy, but it doesn't bother me on my back. The other bag that I am using is my Fawn design. It's just so easy to kind of look through, easier for my mom to work with also. I have a fob on here. This is by Fobs by Andrea. And this is packed for my 2-year-olds. In this front pocket, all I have are some Clorox wipes. So we can wipe down the plane, every surface. Nothing in the side bottle pockets. I do have a Passy Pod in Sakura Swirl. This has 2 brand new Passies just in case. I am planning on taking them away from my kids soon, but I am not going to risk traveling without them. I also have a hand sanitizer. In this back pocket, I have a wipe pouch with some water wipes. That's just in case I need easy access for cleaning hands or faces. And then in here I have a change pad. This is the one that came with my, what's that even called? It's like a little wristlet by 12 Little. I can't remember what it's called. So for the main compartment, this is what it looks like. It kind of looks all messy, but I promise it's easy to get to. I have my kids' earphones right on top. Kind of wedged in between all of the things, I have 2 toss-in, what are these? Take and toss cups. Okay, and now you can see kind of the organization. I have a Be Dapper, a Be Quick, and a medium set piece, and a few other things kind of mixed in. I got this book for my daughter and my son also. They can, you know, pass it back and forth because they are obsessed with books, and I thought this was really cute. Everything is brand new, so they haven't seen this before, which will be great for traveling. I got this little pig for my daughter. I saw this from Jess. If you don't follow her, you should. She's Jess Marks of Motherhood, and she has this for her daughter. It's a little buckle pig, and I thought it was adorable because my daughter is obsessed with buckles. And then in that pocket right there to the side, I have the straws that go to the cups. In the Be Dapper, this is also in Sakura Swirl. Can you tell this is my favorite print? I don't have anything in this separate pocket, but this is for all of the diapers. I have 8 size 6 diapers. I have a diaper cream just in case, and I have a wipe pouch with a lot of wipes in there. Next to that, I have a Quick in Blackout, and this has a bunch of snacks, applesauces, little goldfish, fruit snacks. I also have some straws in here, yeah. Some silicone straws. I got these on Amazon. A Itsy Ritzy little mini snack bag just in case they don't want all of their crackers or, you know, just to toss in things. I also plan on bringing some cookies so, you know, I can bribe my kids on the plane. And the last pouch is a medium set piece also in Blackout. And this has cards for my son. These are brand new. He hasn't seen them. I have Lady McQueen, Mater, and Mac, and then I have 2 trolls for my daughter and these little magnetic toys that she really loves. And the last 2 items are these. This I got off of Amazon. It is a Melissa and Doug sticker book. These are reusable. You can just peel them and put them however you want. So I thought this would be fun. And then I have this. This is, I think, I think this is called a Pocket-a-Tote by 31. I don't know. I have 2 pack and plays. I have 4 little Chick-fil-A books. They're indestructible books. And then I have these. I found these at the dollar spot at Target. And they are basically mess-free. I didn't want to bring things that could lead to a potential mess. So I thought that these were really great to have. I'm not bringing a ton of toys because they will most likely watch a movie on my iPad or my mom's and we'll be good. And then all, you know, in between they'll play, so we're hoping this will be the perfect mix. And that's everything I have for all of us. I do have a fuel cell that my mom is going to be taking with just overflow snacks and 2 chocolate milks just in case my kids need them. I don't think that they'll drink them, but just in case. And she also has 2 diapers for each of my kids just in case we run out. So she has 2 size 2 and 4 size 6. And that's everything. If you did enjoy this, don't forget to show me with a big thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to click that subscribe button before you go. I would love to have you. If you already have, I'll see you soon. Bye.